Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create Notion templates so that you can sell them on Etsy. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Before going into the video, I'm going to be teaching what Notion is. It is an all-in-one productivity tool that combines note-taking, task management, project planning, and collaboration features. It allows users to create and organize notes, databases, tasks, and wikis in a flexible, customizable workspace. Notion is widely used for personal organization as well as team collaboration, enabling users to manage everything from simple to-do lists to complex project workflows in one platform. Its versatility makes it popular for businesses, students, and creators alike. Whereas Notion AI is an AI-empowered assistant integrated into Notion, which you can use to create Notion templates, which you can sell on Etsy later. So let's go ahead and open a Notion AI or Notion.so and sign into your account. Then you can see the Notion AI option. Just go ahead and click on Notion AI on the left-hand side corner of your screen. After you click it, you can see that the brainstorming option or the draft option will be shown over here. Now you can start creating your Notion AI template yourself. So you can see that there are some options like drafting an outline. If you want to draft an outline of your own, just go ahead and click on this first link and you can see what do you want to outline about. They will help you draft it. So you can see that you can write something or ask AI about something. I'm just gonna write something. You can enter anything you want and enter any outline topic. After you write something, just hit enter, wait for a while, and Notion AI will draft you an outline. So as you can see that this template has started to be created. All of the outline has been created, and now if you scroll a bit down, you can see the Save Pages option over here. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on Save, you can see the outline has been created. Now you can edit it, share it, and you can publish it to the web as well. So this is a Notion AI template. So you can see the plus icon over here. The definition is given, so just go ahead and click on plus. And you can see that now you can be entering some of the blocks like text, page, to-do list, heading, table, and a lot of functionalities. So you can just go ahead and click on text, and now you can start writing or press space for AI for commands. So just go ahead and click on space, wait for a while, and you can write down something which will define this. After you click enter, you can wait for a while, and then the definition and all of the things which you have wanted to be written over here will be automatically be written. And you can see that it has started. Go ahead and click accept if you want to accept this written AI thing. So after you do so, you can see that this is quite easy and cost-friendly to do. And you can just go ahead and hover around this option over here, these levels, and click on the level and you will be headed to it. So first of all, the introduction has already been completed. You can see the add icon, add cover, and add comment options over here, and a lot of things. So you can see some of the templates will be available here as well. If you want to merge your current data or current article which you have just written using Notion AI and add it to templates, you can do that as well. So you can see the templates option over here. If you want a shortcut featured template, you can see that you can easily access it for free. So you can just go ahead and click on it and click view template. After click view template, you can see some of the templates which has already been created for you to use. So if you want to buy this bundle, you can easily buy it. If you want to create your template of your own and add a lot of these stickers, icons, and make it look attractive, you can do that as well. It's quite easy. All you need to do is go to Notion AI and start writing your own template. So you can just go ahead and edit this as well. So you can see you can add your own cover. You can click on add cover and you can see the cover being added. So if you want to change this cover, click on change cover, which is over here, and you can see some of the artistic covers which are available on Notion AI. Go ahead and select on cover, and if you want to reposition it, just click on reposition, drag the image to reposition the cover which you want. After that, click save. Then you can see the cover has been added as well. Now you can see this template is starting to look attractive. You can go ahead and complete it, click share, and you can give the access to the people. So what you need to do is click on give full access, go ahead and click on everyone at this or only people invited. If you want your Notion template to become safe, even though you are selling it on Etsy, just go ahead and click on only people invited. So after click it, you can now write down the email address of your friends or your colleagues or the sellers or buyers which you want to sell your template to. So go ahead and add in their email address and click invite after they pay you certain amount of money on Etsy. So wondering how you can upload your template on Etsy? It's quite simple. Open Etsy side by side to Notion after you have created a good template, and then click on the shop manager as you have logged into your Etsy account. If you don't have your Etsy account, don't you worry, because it is quite easy to sign up for Etsy. There is a video that I have posted before, so you can go ahead and check it out about how you can sign up for Etsy and how you can create a seller's account. After you check it, sign into your account and go to Shop Manager. After you go to Shop Manager, go to Shop Preferences, enter your details over here like shop languages, shop country, shop currency, and go to name your shop and write down your shop name. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write down some name which will clearly be shown. So after you do this, click on save and continue, and the next thing is to stock your shop. Now you can see the category. So you must take care that the category must be written as templates. After you write down templates, you can see the templates will be available here. So you can see the digital plans, planner, and everything over here. So you can go ahead and add templates, or you can search for Notion and you can see it will be shown for templates as well. Go ahead and add it. Now you can see as it is a digital file, go ahead and click on digital file, and you should see that there are options of who made it, I did, a member of my shop, and another company for a person. You can select which one of these perfectly describes your product. Go ahead and select this as well, and select when this product was mailed. So you can see you can add made to order. After you see this, you can click on if it is an AI generated one or it is created by you. After this, you can click save and continue, and add in your title of your template. So the title of the template is the environmental damages of urbanization. You can create any template of any name and any product title. So after you do this, you can go ahead and screenshot your template from here. So it's quite simple to screenshot. So you can just go ahead and search for sniping tool. Open the sniping tool on your PC, click on new, and you can just go ahead and drag this, and this has been saved after you click on save, which is here. So after you do this, make sure that it is accessible, save it, and then you can process it. Now you can go back to Etsy and you can add up to 10 photos. So let's go ahead and add a photo of our template. So you can see that it will be available. Go ahead and add this Notion template photo, and you can see you can add description about what this item is about and what makes this item quite special. So you can describe about your template and how it might be useful to the buyer. So after you do this, you can set up your price and you can add in your quantity. So go ahead and do this, click save and continue, and fill in your orders. Go ahead and write down your billing info, complete your shop security, and there you go. This is how easy it is to sell Notion templates using Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.